Hey, I'm Simon. Imagine having a personal assistant smarter than anyone you know, gadgets straight out of science fiction, and devices that seem almost too advanced to exist. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today, I'm showing you 5 insane AI gadgets you can actually buy right now. And trust me, these aren't your average tech toys. Let's dive straight into gadget number 5, the Ember Wave 2. Ever felt too hot or too cold, but everyone around you seems fine? Ember Wave 2 is a smart wristband that uses AI to precisely adjust your personal body temperature. By gently warming or cooling your wrist, it tricks your brain into feeling perfectly comfortable in any environment. Imagine never complaining about office temperature again. But how exactly does it trick your body so effectively? Stick around, because we'll uncover that secret shortly. Before that, let me introduce you to number 4, the incredible AI-powered mirror called Mirror. It's not just a stylish addition to your living room. This smart mirror transforms into a personal trainer with live feedback on your form, customized workouts, and detailed fitness tracking. Ever wondered if your home workout was actually effective? Mirror not only tracks your progress, but also adapts routines instantly to match your fitness level. But here's the twist. How can a mirror accurately replace professional trainers? We'll find out in just a bit. Up next at number 3, meet Vector, your new robot companion. Think Alexa, but on wheels and with an actual personality. Vector recognizes your face, responds to commands, and even shows emotional reactions. It's like having your own tiny robotic friend roaming around your house. But can Vector genuinely provide companionship? Or is it just another novelty gadget that'll collect dust on your shelf? Keep watching, because you might be surprised. But before we reveal the truth about Vector, let's quickly circle back to Ember Wave 2. The secret behind Ember Wave's effectiveness lies in targeted thermoelectric sensations. Simply put, it stimulates temperature-sensitive nerves on your wrist, convincing your brain you're warmer or cooler in seconds. This smart wristband could genuinely revolutionize personal comfort, especially for people sensitive to temperature changes. Could this be the future of wearable technology? The answer might surprise you, but first, we've got to get back to that AI-powered mirror. So how does Mirror actually replace your trainer? Mirror's built-in AI uses sophisticated computer vision to analyze your movements in real time, offering instant corrections to your form. It adapts workouts dynamically, pushing you just the right amount to hit your fitness goals faster. Plus, Mirror hosts interactive live classes, creating a genuinely immersive home gym experience. But here's the million-dollar question. Can Mirror actually replace the motivation and accountability of having a real trainer physically present? Speaking of personal interactions, let's return to Vector, our little robot friend. Unlike other smart assistants, Vector roams freely around your home, proactively interacting with its environment and you. Its expressive animations and voice tones give it a remarkably lifelike presence, turning Vector into more than just a gadget. It's almost like having a pet. But can AI robots like Vector ever truly mimic genuine emotional bonds? Hold on to that thought, because the next gadget will seriously blow your mind. Coming in at number 2, we have the revolutionary AI sleep tracker 8 Sleep Pod. This isn't just another mattress. It actively adjusts its temperature throughout the night using AI to optimize your sleep quality. Imagine your bed dynamically cooling as you drift off and gently warming to wake you up refreshed. Could your mattress soon become the smartest gadget in your house? We'll explore how it knows exactly what you need, but first, let me introduce you to our number 1 gadget. Ever wanted your very own AI-powered drone photographer? Well, that's exactly what gadget number 1, the Skydio 2 Plus, offers. This drone autonomously tracks and films you using AI to navigate around obstacles with stunning precision. Whether you're mountain biking through dense forests or surfing huge waves, Skydio ensures perfect footage every time without crashing. But how foolproof is its AI technology really? Can it replace professional drone operators completely? Stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal about these AI gadgets could genuinely redefine your daily life. Are these devices truly as groundbreaking as they seem, or is there more hype than reality behind their promises? Keep watching, because you're about to find out exactly what makes these insane AI gadgets worth your attention and your money. All right, let's pick up right where we left off. Remember the 8 Sleep Pod, our futuristic AI-powered mattress? Let's uncover how it actually knows exactly what you need each night. This smart bed utilizes hundreds of sensors, combined with machine learning algorithms to monitor your heart rate, breathing, and even your movement patterns in real time. Then, it actively adjusts the bed's temperature to help you achieve the deepest possible sleep. Just imagine, no more waking up sweating or freezing, just consistently perfect sleep. But here's the real question. Could AI sleep technology actually improve your health and productivity? Or is this simply a luxurious gimmick? We're about to find out. Meanwhile, back to our number one gadget, the incredible Skydio 2 Plus drone. You might be wondering, how exactly does it navigate complex environments and avoid obstacles so flawlessly? The answer lies in its advanced AI-driven autonomous flying system. Skydio uses 4K navigation cameras, constantly scanning its environment, creating a detailed 3D map in real time. This allows it to avoid collisions and follow your movements seamlessly, capturing shots only possible before with professional camera crews. But does this mean traditional drone piloting skills will soon become obsolete? Could Skydio truly revolutionize photography and videography forever? To answer that, we need to understand just how advanced AI has become. Take, for example, the Vector robot we mentioned earlier. Sure, it's incredibly charming and interactive, but what truly makes Vector stand apart is its capacity to learn and adapt. Through advanced neural networks, Vector understands your preferences, habits, and even moods over time, offering personalized interactions unique to you. Imagine coming home after a rough day, and your robot companion not only greets you by name, but also recognizes you're stressed and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Could we soon find ourselves forming genuine emotional attachments to AI robots, similar to how we bond with pets or friends? And if so, what does that mean for our future relationships with technology? But emotional connections aside, let's briefly return to that impressive AI mirror again. Sure, Mirror provides immersive, personalized workouts, but could it replace human trainers completely? While Mirror accurately tracks form, analyzes your fitness data, and offers tailored feedback, many wonder if it could genuinely replicate the motivational factor of a human coach. However, with its expanding database of thousands of workout routines and personalized AI-driven suggestions, Mirror continuously adapts to your progress, keeping workouts fresh and engaging. But here's the twist. What if AI coaching becomes not just good enough, but actually better than traditional trainers at keeping you motivated and injury-free? And speaking of motivation, consider again the Ember Wave 2, the smart temperature-controlling wristband. Beyond personal comfort, researchers have found that precise temperature control can actually boost mood, reduce stress, and improve overall productivity. Ember Wave 2 doesn't just adjust temperature, it actively learns your comfort preferences, adapting over time to become more effective. Could gadgets like these soon become essential productivity tools rather than just luxury accessories? Imagine never feeling too cold in an overly air-conditioned office, or too hot during intense focus sessions again. Could this be the ultimate personal comfort revolution? As amazing as these gadgets are individually, let's zoom out for a moment and see the bigger picture. AI technology is advancing at an exponential rate, fundamentally changing how we live, work, and even sleep. Gadgets that once seemed like distant dreams are now available for everyday use. From AI-driven mattresses that optimize your sleep to personal robots that understand your emotions, AI gadgets are no longer novelty items. They're becoming essential tools shaping our daily routines. But with all this incredible tech emerging, it also raises some important questions. How will this rapid integration of AI into our daily lives affect human jobs? Could personal trainers, drone pilots, and even caregivers soon find their roles significantly altered or replaced by AI? And perhaps most importantly, what ethical implications should we consider as we grow increasingly attached to artificially intelligent devices that mimic real emotional connections? One thing's clear. These 5 insane AI gadgets we've covered today aren't just impressive tech toys. They're signposts pointing towards an entirely new way of living. Whether you choose to embrace them fully or cautiously watch from a distance, AI is undeniably changing the game forever. So now I'm genuinely curious. Which of these 5 gadgets surprised or fascinated you the most? Could you see yourself integrating AI into your daily routine? Or are there still concerns holding you back? Share your thoughts down below, because I'd love to hear what you think about this incredible new wave of AI technology. If you enjoyed diving into these insane gadgets with me today, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's a perfect time, because there's a lot more mind-blowing tech content coming your way. Thanks for joining me on this futuristic ride. I'll catch you in the next one.